How to change the font size on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change the font size on iPhones. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to do is first open up your settings. After you open up your settings, you can scroll down and right here you should find an option called display and brightness. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, if you scroll down, there you should find true text size, text size. Tap on it. And from here you will be able to simply increase your text sizes. So as you can see, these are the text sizes available. And you can play with it. If you want a larger size, you can simply choose the larger options. If you want the smaller sizes, you can choose the smaller option as well. So after you select the appropriate size, you can then head back. And as you can see, my size has been increased. Now, if you want to, just simply change the text to a bold one, simply tap on bold text. And as you can see, the text is now bold. And it's that simple. So let me just turn this off and show you guys the other settings. So after that, you can head over to your other option, which is your accessibility. And on your accessibility, there again you'll find display and text size. If you tap on it from here, the options are pretty same. Here you can see if you tap on bold text, it will simply bold the text. And there is an option called larger text, which will again do the same. It will increase the text sizes. And from here you can even change the button shapes and on-off labels as well. And yeah, if you want to increase the contrast and stuff, that's available here as well. And that's basically how you change the font size on iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.